Hello friends, welcome to the Power BI tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will see how we can export the data from chart in Power BI. So like in the previous tutorial, we have seen like how we create the chart from the Excel data or any other data source, whatever is the available, how we can like create the chart from that data. Now in this tutorial we will cover like how we can view that chart data and how we can export that particular chart data into the CSV format. So these two things we are going to cover. So before that, we have already installed that Power BI in our local system. So this is the view it look like for the Power BI, and in the previous tutorial we have created these two these are the sheet where we have created the chart, and here we can see like we have created the chart. This is the column chart basically, and we have created this one over the month name, country and the profit that we have created in the last tutorial. Now what we want, like we want to see this chart for particular month. Like I want to take for this October, I want to check like how this profit is coming for this October month and how it is managing these things. So like from this chart how we can see the data. So just right click on this, and here when you will click you will see like show data point as a table. In the previous version of this Power BI desktop, that can the name can be different, but in the latest version it is showing like show data point as a table. So for particular October month I am looking. So when I click on this one, so like it will show the data as a like report, and we can see here like it is showing for the country Mexico, because we have clicked for that. Like now what I will do, let's first exclude from here. Like in the previous tutorial we put a formation on this, like include exclude. So just remove this one first, and we will see like for this one. Now I want to see for the USA, and for the October month I want to see like how this 0.41 million, how the profit it is coming. So what I will do, just I will right click on this and I will show data point as a table. So it will show like how the data is coming for the October month, and we can see like how the profit is coming it is coming in the report. Like we can see here for particular. Now if you want to click on particular row, so it will highlight to that particular row. So this is a simplest way, like from the chart how we can view the data, like how the flow is coming for particular profit. Now I want to export this data into the CSV format. So you can see here three dotted button, and when I click on this we can see like export data. So when you will click on this, see we can see like it is saving the data into the CSV format. So from here we can save the data and we can send that particular report to the top management where they needed for particular month and for particular country. We can see. Now the next question is like can we restrict to export this data for particular user for the end user? Yes, we can do it. And the process for doing like restrict to user to generate the report, what you have to do, go to the file, and here we can see like option in the setting, and in this option when you will click you will see like the report we can find. Like here we can see, so first of all like here we are looking at report setting twice. One is for option and this is like for current file. So don't be confused, like this report setting is basically for the current file. And when you will click for this report setting, here we can see like export data. Here this radio button is checked, allow end user to export the data, and if you will click like don't allow, then it will not allow to export this data. So for timing I'm not going to do, but if you want to test you can do with this. So that is the way like we can show our chart data and we can export that particular chart data into the CSV format. So just go back to the report and we can see the chart which we have created for these records. So that is all about this tutorial. If you have any question or doubt, please comment. Thank you.